step into the Kia 2019 Stinger base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.